If you're encountering an export error while using Snagit 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart Snagit. Close Snagit completely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches causing the export error. Step 2. Check file format. Ensure that you are exporting to a supported file format. Snagit supports formats like PNG, JPEG, and MFAIR. If you're trying to use an unsupported format, switch to a compatible one. Step 3. Update Snagit. Check for any available updates for Snagit 2026. Go to the Help menu and select Check for Updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may be causing the export error. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues. Navigate to the Snagit preferences and look for an option to clear the cache or reset settings. This can eliminate corrupted data that might be causing error. Step 5. Reinstall Snagit. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Snagit 2026. This can fix any installation issues that may be affecting the export functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the export error in Snagit 2026. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Snagit support for further assistance.